Good morning, dear students and parents. Hoping for your good health. I welcome you all to online teaching program of RD Group of Schools. So, students, this is our fourth class. Before this class, I took your three classes. This is our fourth class, and today our topic is one and many. Before proceeding to the class, I would like to request the parents to gather all the resources. And what are the resources? Content book, notebook and workbook. And you remember in the previous class we used the letter cards, and please keep those letter cards very carefully because in the upcoming classes we use those letter card many a times. So now let's start our today's class. Topic is one and many. So students, you all are aware about the things one. Yes, one means the single things. And what is the meaning of many? Many means the things more than one. So what is our aim today? Make naming words that name many things using S and ES. What will we do? We will learn about the things which are more than one. Yes, students, do you know about the naming words? What are the naming words? Yes, the all the person, place, things and animals have their names. So these names are called naming words. The name of a person, place, thing and animal is called a naming words. So today we are going to do make naming words that name many things using S and ES. The naming words which shows more than one things often ends with S and ES. So today we are going to learn about things, how to change one name into many. So what are the keywords today? Chains, kings, bush, princess, crutch, baby. These are our keywords for today's class. Now it is time for the action. What will we do in the action? I will write some sentences on the board and you will find out the error. I will write some sentences on the board and you will find out the mistakes in those sentences. All have their own names. I also have my name. My name is Manju. I am a person. What is my name? Manju. You also have name. All are having their name. This is a thing. What is its name? What do we call this? It is a board. What is it? This is also a thing. What is it? Marker. What do we call it? Marker. Okay. There are many animals. I have a pet. What is that pet? Dog. So all animals also have their name. Where do you live? I live in Jhajjar. So what is the name of the place here? Jhajjar. So all the person, place, things and animals have their name and these names are called naming words. Now it is time for the action. In this action we will do one activity. I have written some sentences on the board. You will find out the mistakes. There are mistakes in these sentences. You will read this and then you will find out the mistake, what was the error there. So parents, please pause the video and show these sentences to the students so they can find out the error. The two dragon had four wings. The dragon had two eyes and two legs. There were two princes in the story. She walked with two crutches. Yes, students, have you found out the mistakes? You might have found out the mistakes. Yes, what was wrong in those sentences? Yes, what was the mistake in those sentences? And why? Is all the naming words in these sentences should be changed to talk about more than one. Means in these sentences, the naming words, which naming words are given, they all are talking about more than one thing. So all the naming words which are more than one should be ends with S or ES. Yes students, first of all you should take out all the naming words. Dragon, it is a naming word. Yes, what should come here? Dragon or dragons, because these are two, it is more than one, so we add S here. The two dragons had four wings, it is also naming word. The dragon had two eye. The dragon had two eye. Two eye is one or two, right? We all have two eyes, so not two eye, not only eye, eyes. Two legs. There were two princesses. We will add here ES. Princesses. She walked with two crutch. She walked with two crutch. Two crutch, so we will add here ES. Crutches. So this how we are making the many things, the naming words which are more than one oftenly ends with S or ES. So students, which words I have underlined, these are the plural words. More than one things are called plural words. Yes, now what we are going to do, you will read the story Anya and the Dragon. How many pages you will read? You will read 2 pages of the story Anya and the Dragon. You will read 2 pages of this story and then you will find out the naming word. What will you do in this book, in this story Anya and the Dragon? You will underline the naming words only. On first paragraph, what was the naming word? Dragon, king, palace, dragon, chain, sky, feet, dragon, eyes, princess, leg, crutches. Now on the next page, back, Anya, dragon, horses, brothers, king, crutches, chains, keys, cupboard, dragon, princess, eyes, dragon. So these are the naming words. All these naming words you have underlined. Children, some of the naming words here, they were one like dragon, king, palace, dragon, and some of the naming words were many like chains, feet, eyes, crutches. Yes students, I have drawn a table on the board. On there I have written the words like one and many, and how do we change the words? Now we will learn about them. Yes student, now it is time for the analysis part. Now I am going to ask some question. Yes, my first question is, what method did we use to make the changes a naming word to talk about more than one person, place, thing or animal? Yes, to change the words that ends with CH, S, SH or X, we add ES. And in the ending of the some words, we add S also. Yes, my next question is, how do we know when we add S or ES? Yeah, think about this. Students, where to use ES? We use ES with S, the words which ends with S, double S, SH, Z, O, X means the words which are ending with these letters. If S is given at the end of the letter, double S is given, SS is given, Z is given, O is given, X is given, then we add ES with the words. Like for example, watch, WATCH. If we want to make many watches, WATCH, WATCHES, watches. Bush, BUSH, ES, it also ends with SH. Watch, it ends with CH, so we add ES at the end of these words. Box, 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 ending letter is X, So what do we add? We will add es. So this how we will add. So these are the example. So with these word we are using es, h, z and x. And other than these, the letters which end with the simple consonants, we will add only s. Like boy, boys, girl, girls, table, tables. This how we can add only s. There is no rule. And the words which ends with ch, sh, z, x, we have to add es to make many things. Now let's move on the y. The letter y. It changed into ies. We add ies. When do we add ies? Here also in boy, y is there, but we have not added ies. We have added only s. Why? The words which end with y, and before y, if consonant is given, before y, if consonant letter is given, in the previous class I told you about the vowels and the consonants. B is a vowel or consonant? Yes, it is a consonant. Now this y will change into ies. Y changed into ies. Clear to all? Like in story, stories. Yes, student, why is it important to use the plural form of the verbs? Plural form of the naming words. Why is it important? Okay, do you know about the plural? Okay, let me clear one thing first of all. What is the meaning of plural and singular? Singular means one. Which thing is one? One means singular. One means singular. The things which are only one, single, that means singular. Many. Yes, what is the meaning of many? We can say plural also. In this form also we can use one and many. Singular and plural. Now what is my question? Why is it important to use the plural form of the naming words? Yes, guess about the answer, students. Yes, parents, please pause the video and let your word give you their own answer. Yes, it is important. We use the plural form of naming words to talk about things that are more than one. That is not one in number. Why do we use? We use the plural form of the verb to mention about the things which are many when we talk about more than one things. Some words change their spellings when we add es. And okay, next question it is higher order thinking question. Hearts. What naming words can you think of where we don't add s or es? What naming words can you think of where we don't add s or es? Means, which are the naming words? वो कौन से naming words हैं? To make their plural form, we are not using s or es. When we are going to change that word one to many, singular to many, we are not adding s or es, but we are sometimes we are changing the spellings. Yes, think about the answer. This answer is given in the story also. At least one is there, so you can guess. Yes, right. Words such as tooth, teeth, foot, feet change their spelling and do not take the same ending words like while changing into the plural form to talk about more than one. Yes, this is another rule for different spellings. As I wrote in the table also, different s or es. I have written s or es. I told you about s, how to change, where we should add s, where we should add es, and where y will change into ies. And now it is the rule for different spelling. Tooth, the spelling of tooth we are not adding s or es here. We are just changing the vowels here. Tooth, teeth, foot, feet, men, men. So this is how we are changing the spellings to make the plural, to make the many of the things. Yes students, these were the naming words which we have changed, which we have added in the spellings which we have added s or es. Some spellings were changed. Now I am going to talk about one more example, that is of collective noun like family, group, team. This word family, does family consist only one person? Family में एक ही person होता है? This is one only. No, there are many persons. In team also there are many persons. In group also there are many persons. But there is no need to add s or es because it is a collective noun. Because the member of the family which are living together, we are calling them family. हम उसको family बोलते हैं. हम उनको people नहीं बोलते हैं. हम उनको बहुत सारे लोगों को अलग अलग से डिनोट नहीं करते. We are saying it family only. And in a team there are many players. We are not, again and again we are not saying players. We are saying it team because it is a collective noun. Yes students, now it is time for application part. We will do S4 page number 14 in workbook. You will complete this workbook within 10 minutes. Parents, please ensure your word that they have to complete this worksheet only in 10 minutes. In which two paragraphs are given, they will read the paragraphs thoroughly and then they will take on the correct answer. Yes student, now it is time for worksheet S4 one and many. It is given on page number 14. So what will you do in first question? Underline the correct form of the naming words to complete the paragraphs. Here two paragraphs are given. You will read them and then you will tick on the correct option. Like in first A, Anya and the Dragon. Hello friends, my name is Anya. I am a princesses. So two options are given here, princesses. So I am a princess. Princess, how many princesses are there? One or two or more than one? Only one is here, so you will tick on princess. So you will tick on princess. So further on you will keep on the reading and so on you will tick on the correct option. In the B part also same, you will read this paragraph and then you will tick on the correct option. Now question 2. Change the word story to its plural form and make a sentence with it. You will change the word story in its plural form and then you will make a sentence. Yes students, now it is time for HW. What is your homework today? Make 5 sentences to talk about more than one bus, fox, watch, child and fish. What will you do in it? You will make 5 sentences. With which word you will make the sentences? First you will change these words into many, into the plural form. For example, I am giving you one example. Bus, buses. What will be the spelling for bus? For example, you will change the bus into buses. Then you will make sentences with the help of the buses, then foxes, then watches and so on. Okay student, what have we learned today? Yes, we have learned to change the naming word one to many. And you learnt about where to add s, where to add es, where to change y to ies and where with the different spellings. For example, the words which ends with ch, sh, z or x, we are adding es, and the y changes into ies. When it changes into ies, when before y, if consonant is given, then we change the y into ies. We change the y into I and we add es at the last. And sometimes we are not adding s or es, we are just changing the spelling, we are changing the vowel like tooth, teeth, man, men, foot, fit. Thanks, have a nice day.